TVs, upgrading their TVs. Even also they started to upgrade their refrigerators, their washing machines. So we saw a general uptick in terms of electronics appliances in the last 3 months.
The resumption of international flights has been lauded by Kenya's ambassador to Senegal, noting that air travel remains a key link across the continent. Beginning August, Kenya opened its airspace following development of aviation protocols. So far, national carrier Kenya Airways has seen a surge in air travel, and travelers are appealing to the Ministry of Transport to include other countries that were not in the initial list of 19 countries allowed to access Kenyan airspace.
KQ is a brand in terms of connecting us on the African continent. And now that it's back flying, we can see it's going to be moving business people. It's going to be moving trade in terms of what we're talking about, teas, flowers, cut flowers. That's the other area where there is opportunity. So trade